Hello, this is Skelly Skelandrios here, and welcome to the official second anniversary for this channel. Now, let's get started, shall we? We have gotten an incredible 850 more subs, which completes our goal of 150 subs about 5 times. We also have made 180 more videos. Also finally, we have gotten a great amount of views, 1,204,782 to be exact. We also have become fully independent, meaning we are no longer connected to any other accounts besides our own. As well as a new Discord server, which you should join. Next year, I'm obviously hoping to reach 1,000 subs next year, and also getting Skelly Adventures started. So that concludes our second anniversary for this channel. This Skelly Skelandrios, signing off.